Hello everyone. Next we are going to take a ponytail, then we are going to loosen it up and applying the spin underneath it and then moving it forward to the side. After that, taking the remaining hair, applying a rubber band on them and then folding them with the help of this spin. Next we are going to take a ponytail, applying a pin underneath it, then we are going to fold it out with the help of this black pin into this beautiful voluminous bun. Next we are taking a high ponytail, then taking some part of it from the start and securing it with a rubber band again. Then we are going to apply a rubber again on the middle. Then we are going to fold it out into this puffed up bun and securing it up with this pin, and your hairstyle is ready. Next we are going to take a ponytail, loosen it up, then applying the spin underneath it. Then we are going to take all of the remaining hair and then folding it out on the top of this pin into a bun with the help of this black pin. Next we are going to take a ponytail, then we are going to use this beautiful ball pin to apply it underneath her ponytail, then taking the remaining untied hair and applying this pin. After that we are going to convert it into this bun. Next we are going to take hair from both the sides, then we are going to secure it with the rubber band. After that we are going to fold it, then we are going to divide the rest of the hair into two parts and securing it with rubber bands. After that we are going to pass them opposite sides and then we are going to again repeat the same step till we got this much amount of hair left. Then we are going to tie them up with the help of a rubber band and applying the spin, and your hairstyle is ready.